Recording? Oh. Hello, my name is Christian Silas. I go to Biotechnology High School. I am in the 12th grade, and my teacher is Dr. Schuster. Am I sharing my screen? Okay. So this is my project. My project is based on the impact of cats, specifically feral cats, on the ecosystem. So I am investigating and tracking the areas covered by feral cat clouder. A clouder is a group. So I'll be tracking and investigating the areas that are covered by either both most populated and least populated. I'll be tracking them via GPS and the percentile rating of what areas are clouders in, and mostly not in. My specific topic is to track the area covered by feral cat clouder in an urban environment via GPS. This is useful information for determining placement of feral cats and the impact of cats on urban ecosystem. Rodents, birds, those are the type of impacts they have, like as far as them dying and them going extinct, that type of placement. Okay, the environmental impact. Outdoor domestic cats are a recognized threat to global biodiversity, and of course, that can be they can be specified more. Cats have contributed to the I can't say it, extinction of 63 species of birds, mammals, and reptiles in the wild, and continue to adversely impact a wide variety of other species. And outdoor cats also carry dangerous parasite. Sorry, I can't see. Parasite. Right here. Dangerous parasites that have been linked to schizophrenia, Alzheimer's, memory loss, and learning problems. Scientists at the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and the Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute determined that feral cats kill more wildlife than other human-caused threats, including poisoning vehicles and collisions with buildings. That's very hard to break down in your head. Determining placement of feral cats and the impact of cats on urban ecosystems. So important concepts and terms the audience, you guys, needs to know is the term free-ranging cats applies to owned cats that spend all or portion of their time outdoors where they may prey on wildlife. Feral cats are those cats that are not owned and exist in the wild. Feral cats can be born in the wild or may have only recently entered into the wild, but we make no attempt here to distinguish between these two groups, because feral animals can exist in the wild completely unaided by humans, or they may be members of so-called cat colonies that receive varying levels of care and food from human caretakers. So, like they just feed them time to time. I will zoom in on this just so you guys can see it. This is a graph showing the total number of feral cats brought into clinics. So it's kind of been a range of like up and down, but you can see from year 2019 to 2011, it was very high, and then 3 years passed and it got low. So that's a great that's a great decrease, I feel like. Areas most populated, feral cats are the same species as domestic cats. So feral cats, domestic cats, same. They live and produce too. They are found all over. These are the areas that are most populated. So in Australia, forests, woodlands, grasslands, wetlands, and arid areas. And Philadelphia is now home to nearly 500,000 stray or feral cats. So imagine the mammals, the extinction, the dangerous parasites. Is so many of since it's 500,000, it's going to be a lot of effects. And residents say they have had it with it. The states of South Atlantic, so like Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia, own the largest sheer number of cats as pets. But those are as pets, so you got to distinguish the difference between the free ranging and the feral cats. So they're as pets, they might be outside too, but it's not as much as the feral cats that be outside and cause various extinctions of different mammals and birds. This is the ending of my presentation. These are my works cited, and thank you to my neighborhood and also Dr. Schuster. I forgot to put him on here. Dr. Schuster, my teacher, for helping me on this project. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.